right from wrong. Ain't got no church, no congregation, but I definitely know what's right from wrong. If I was him, I'd send you packing to read whatever book you represent. Call me a man, bad non-believer, but I think the time has come for your repent. Gods and monsters, you're all the same to me, preaching forgiveness, all wrapped up in pain and misery. Gods and monsters, you're all the same to me. Can't you see? Can't you see? Gods and monsters, you're all the same to me, preaching forgiveness, all wrapped up in pain and misery. Gods and monsters, you're all the same to me. Can't you see? But can't you see? Can't you see? Can't you see?
Right, I know I said I was going to bed, but I just thought to myself, I might as well give this coming Sunday's show a plug. Who do we have on this Sunday's show? We have John Meadows, we have Kevin Chrisley, we have Gary Gardner, we have Richard Lomax, we have The Madding Crowd, and we have Fritland featuring Ellywood. That's like a little bit of a dance number, that is. We have Nina Fian with us in the Live Lounge. Absolutely brilliant act. I'm very much looking forward to this. There's talk of a little bit of piano going on as well. On the blower, we have Luke Saunders from Clockwork Eyes. He'll be getting on the blower and having a little chat with us about his up-and-coming events, his hopes and dreams, etc., etc. So do tune in next Sunday, guys, at 8 p.m. Quick note to make. Oh, sorry, we also have featured acts by Killer Floor, Poor Police, and the Pretty Silhouettes. Only the 6 acts chosen and highlighted will go into possible entry for the top 20, guys, on Thursday. So yeah, that's pretty much it. The gig guide will be back with us. Keep posting your gig guides to Nick Perrins. I know you, as I say, you have had a long couple of weeks on the source and that, and you're headed up your arse, but the show must go on, in the words of Freddie. You know what I'm saying? Guys, good night, God bless, love you all, peace be with you. I'm going to play one tune for you before I get off. Adventure of a Lifetime by Coldplay. I like this. I don't know why I like it. I shouldn't like it because Coldplay have gone all fucking weird on us, but I do. I like it. Guys, good night.
taking shape. We are diamonds taking shape.
Touching the new, unsound original music. Add a little humor, add a little madness. Welcome to Round Sound Radio.